So the starting point was a famous illustration called The Great Wave off Kanagawa. So I knew that would be the kind of form of it, but then it's evolved through a process of deciding what to use and experimenting with different techniques, such as shrinking plastic bottles around bed springs, which is a new one for me. Back when the previous exhibition was here, looking at the materials that were used in the exhibition and how we might be able to actually cannibalise that exhibition for this piece as well. So especially there was the metalwork and various panels, plastic panels and things, so I used those as part of the structure of the piece. I then kind of went and looked at the different groups who are looking at litter and waste locally. We went up very locally on the River Soar and picked out we did a litter pick, and so some of the materials I've used have come very locally, and then other materials have come from rivers around the UK and further afield. There are a lot of very random things that end up in rivers and in the sea, so we've got things like a minion toy and a little plastic boat and a flip-flop. We've even got a COVID test in there, a negative one, thankfully. Yeah.
We had an idea what it would be, but it wasn't really till the end that when Michelle turned up with lots of trolleys full of materials and started to actually put them up and install them, that we started to see what it was really going to look like. And when we first walked away and then walked back and saw that sense of the wave coming over, and then when you start to look at what it's made of, all this rubbish and plastic that we find in our waterways all around us, it is a sobering message and powerful message.